Let's begin by drawing simple rings. We will use the ellipse template to create different variations, starting with this first one. I will be using the third ellipse from the left column, slightly angled to the left. You can angle it in the direction you prefer. The pencil I'm using is a Faber-Castell 2B, but at this stage the type of pencil isn't crucial. You can use any pencil you have to practice and improve your skills. As you can see, the first line I drew represents the sizing of the ring. Now we will create the thickness of the ring's profile using the second ellipse. Next, we will form the inner part of the ring shank. Use the same second ellipse, but position it inside the first one. If you want a wider ring, place the second ellipse further away from the first. For a thinner ring, position it closer. Make sure to maintain the same angle as you started with. Now take the first ellipse on the template and place it at the bottom of the ring, right in the center. This completes the outer shape of the shank. To add depth and perspective, we'll introduce shadows by imagining a light source coming from the top left. Apply shadows on the sides of the ring, both on the outside and inside of the shank. And there you have it, the basic first variation of a simple ring.